Take the cover off?
Yeah, thank you. I was wondering why I couldn't see him. I don't think I'll be able to see him.
You can hear him.
There's a way to do photo.
Is
Oh, I didn't
hooked up
charge
now? I
her
don't know how.
either.
Can you guys video that?
That's what I'm doing.
What is this name, Glenn?
You're not in.
That's what it's doing.
See? There. Now you're not in it. There you are.
Oh, it's got a pretty wide angle though.
Yeah. It's not like the GoPro though. Because she has the music on and it's up there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's, and it's quiet. Then I'm talking back here. So you say something.
Where's the microphone at? Say something.
Okay. And that's basically, I'll just test it so then I know. Because I don't know.